In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a rotating slider in Weebly, which is a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your website and engage your visitors. If you want to add some dynamic content to your site but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the Weebly site editor today and explore how easily you can achieve this. First, ensure you're logged into your Weebly account and on the site you want to edit. Once you're there, take a look at the top bar and click on Build. This will bring up a list of various elements on the left panel, all of which you can drag and drop onto your site as you see fit. Among these elements, there is one specifically called the slideshow element. Now, what we want to do is simply click on this slideshow element and drag it over to the section of your site where you envision your new slider. Drop it right there in the editor. Now that you have the slideshow element in place, it's time to select the type of slideshow you want to implement. For our purposes, creating a clean, straightforward slider, we're going to choose the Simple Slideshow option. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Continue. Next up, it's time to upload the images that you want to showcase in your slider. This part is an opportunity to curate visual content that best represents or highlights your offerings or storytelling. Upload each image one by one and kindly allow a brief moment while the uploads are being processed. Once all your chosen images are uploaded and ready, all you need to do is click Save. You're almost there. With everything uploaded, let's add some final touches. Click on the slideshow you've just added to the site. This opens up more settings that allow you to personalize it further. You might want to adjust the time it takes to switch between images. Choose a duration that feels right to you, neither too rushed nor too slow. Also, change the transition style to slide to give it that classic rotating slider feel. Additionally, if you want an even cleaner look, you have the option to hide the control buttons. You can also tweak the aspect ratio to fit seamlessly with your site design. These small but impactful adjustments will allow the slider to seamlessly complement and enhance your website's layout and theme. And just like that, you're done. Congratulations on adding a rotating slider to your Weebly site. With these steps, you've not only added visually engaging content, but also created a more dynamic experience for your visitors. Feel free to explore more settings and continue to customize your site to your liking. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the new look of your site.